According to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 5 divided by 10 can be written as 5 over 10. Then divided by 2 and divided by 4. Now we have to do this division, okay? According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And again here we can apply the KCF rule. So change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Okay, so 5 over, here we have 10, 5 over 10. Then times 1 over 2 times 1 over 4. First, let's simplify this fraction. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So we have 1 over 2, then times 1 over 2, then times 1 over 4, which equals 1 times 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 times 4, which equals 16. So 1 over 16. And this is our final answer to this problem.